The life of wild animals and birds is incredibly diverse, shaped by their habitats, behaviors, and evolutionary adaptations. Here's a general overview of the life of wild animals and birds. Hashtag wild animals. 1. Habitats *. Wild animals inhabit a variety of ecosystems, including forests, deserts, grasslands, mountains, and aquatic environments. 2. Behavior *. Wild animals exhibit a range of behaviors, including foraging, hunting, mating, and social interactions. Some animals are solitary, while others form complex social structures or travel in herds. 3. Reproduction *. Reproductive strategies vary widely. Some animals have short gestation periods and produce many offspring, while others invest more time in raising fewer offspring. 4. Migration *. Many species undertake seasonal migrations to find food, suitable breeding grounds, or to escape harsh weather conditions. 5. Predator-prey dynamics *. Wild animals are part of intricate food webs, engaging in predator-prey relationships that help maintain ecological balance. 6. Adaptations *. Animals have evolved various adaptations, such as camouflage, mimicry, and specialized appendages, to survive in their environments. Hashtag birds. 1. Flight *. Birds are characterized by their ability to fly, a feature that has allowed them to explore diverse habitats globally. 2. Nesting and reproduction *. Birds build nests for breeding and lay eggs. Parental care varies, with some species being highly protected and others more independent. 3. Migration *. Many bird species undertake long-distance migrations, covering thousands of miles annually. 4. Song and communication *. Birds use songs and calls for communication, often as a means of attracting mates or defending territory. 5. Social structure *. Some bird species are highly social, forming colonies or flocks, while others are more solitary. 6. Feeding habits *. Birds have diverse diets, including seed-eaters, insectivores, carnivores, and scavengers. 7. Courtship displays *. Courtship displays and rituals are common among birds, showcasing vibrant plumage, intricate dances, and vocalizations. Both wild animals and birds play crucial roles in ecosystems, contributing to biodiversity and maintaining ecological balance. Their lives are shaped by a delicate interplay of environmental factors, survival strategies, and the constant drive to reproduce and perpetuate their species. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon.